Next. Okay, next after ah, lesson natin kanina, no? Yung mga basic artists. Now we're going to discuss the yan, pagpupugay, and then after that, let us proceed to the earnest stances, no? First, yan, earnest pagpupugay. So, di ba sabi kanina, before ka mag-start dun sa stances, you're going to show how to do the pagpupugay. So, we have three steps. First is the first position, sabi dito, feet are position shoulder width apart. So, ititindig this signals natin yung harness, stick is hawak ng dalawang kamay and then naka-straight position under ng ayan. Okay, that is the tindig or the first position. Next position or second position natin is yan, yung handa. Stand straight with your feet at a 45-degree angle. Place your right hand on your left chest. Makita natin. Yan. Yung right arm natin is nakaposition doon sa chest. Then kung makikita din niya sa picture, hawak na rin yung stick. Yung ganyang position na yun. Then yung left na kamay natin is nasa right side lang ng body natin. That is the handa signal. Okay? This signals the second position. And the last, third position before tayo proceed dun sa stances is the third position, maintain the second position. Same position pa rin lang yung second. But ang pinagkaiba lang nila is parang magbabaw ka lang ng konti. No? Yung pugay, this is the signal to bow your body. That is the third position. Okay, next, the earliest stances. Uh, basic stances in earliest. First, the ready stance. It involves standing with feet shoulder width apart and toes pointing forward, knees straight, and body facing forward. Hands are positioned at waist level. Yan, ito yung waistline natin, no? Level lang siya ng waist. And then yung stick is hawak ng dalawang kamay. Then same position dun sa first stance natin. This is that is typically used during training or tournaments to indicate readiness. Okay? Ito ang position na to ay magpapakita na ikaw ay ready na to start the fight. No? Next, attention stance. It involves standing with feet at a 45-degree. Okay? Ankle, heels close together. Makikita natin close, nakasara yung heels na magkadikit. Uh, the body faces forward with relaxed shoulder and hands at waist level, typically used before bowing in sparring bago mag-bow. Itong position na to, ito yung nasa second position natin. Right arm nakaposition sa chest, hawak natin yung stick natin. And the left arm is nakaposisyon doon sa left part ng body natin. That is the second stance natin or attention stance. Next, the forward stance. It begins from ready stance, moving one foot forward so that the knee and toe align. So yan, ang posisyon ha. My right arm, then both toes point forward with the body facing forward and weight balance on both legs. Naka-curve, naka-slant ng konti yung feet natin, then naka-forward ang paa. It can be right or left foot lead. It is used for striking or blocking techniques. This position is for striking or blocking techniques. Pwede kang ikaw yung titira and then pwede mo rin ipa-block yung gagawing attack ng opponent mo. Starter stance. It begins from the ready stance, moving one foot about 2 feet to the side until the lower legs are nearly perpendicular to the ground. So nakabend, 'Di ba naalala ninyo yung ready position natin sa badminton, almost the same lang siya 'no, nakabuka ka ng konti, bend ang tuhod, and then naka-forward yung body. Artist nito, meron silang stick na hawak and then naka-ready position din sila. Okay, next, side stance from the word side 'no, sa side ka nakatingin. Start in the ready position and step 1 foot, 2 feet to the left or right, keeping it perpendicular to the ground. Yan, extend the opposite leg like a side kick with toes pointing forward and your body facing forward. Yan, makikita natin sa posisyon, it's either right or left, depende kung saan yung strong side ninyo. And that is the fifth stance natin or side stance natin. Again, it's either left to right o depende kung saan yung strong side natin. Depende rin sa situation. Next, back stance. It starts in the ready position in step 1, foot back at a 45-degree angle. 'Di ba kanina naka-ready position ka, ang gagawin mo lang yung kanang paa mo, poposisyon mo lang siya backward, okey? Okey, parang naka-L shape, 'yan. Next, keep your legs in a straddle position. Maintain an upright posture and distribute your weight evenly. It can be right foot back stance or left foot back stance. Again, depende po ito. Yan, nakalagay dito depending on the leading foot and is effective for blocking and backward evasion techniques. Kung ikaw ay left-handed or right-handed, depende po sa strong side. That's all for strikes, no? Stances pala. So another recorded na naman for the harness basic strikes. Tulad ng ano natin dito. Thank you for listening.